Let's make a Kraken Manhattan. To make this drink, I am going to start with the Kraken Rum. This is 94 proof, so this is going to be a strong cocktail. I'm going to put 45 milliliters, or an ounce and a half, into my stirring glass. Or mixing glass, whatever you want to call it. Then half an ounce of sweet vermouth, and in this case I'm using Carpano Antica. This is my preferred vermouth for this drink. If you want to try another one, feel free to do so. Let me know how it turns out. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Then 5 drops of Bittercube's Cherry Bark Vanilla Bitters. 5 drops is 5 drops. Add your ice and give it a stir. Now, I am going to get a fancy ice cube. And here's one of my skull ice cubes. Thank you, Will. I am going to serve this one on the ice, on the rocks. Don't know if we can call it up without it being, it's not up, it's on the rocks, never mind. I'm going to strain that over the ice. And then the garnish, 1 Luxardo cherry. And there you have it. Kraken Manhattan. Drink with good spirits.